What is up, guys? Joshua Jacob here, Scentsy Independent Consultant. Today is a super exciting day because there are new items in the clearance section. That's right, new items in clearance. To get there, you just go to my website, josh.scentsy.us, hover over specials, and click the clearance tab. In there, you will find all of these new goodies, and these are available while supplies last. Check this out. If you missed out before these went out or before these were discontinued, they're available to you now and at a discount. Amazon Rain Scentsy Soak, I think yes. Look at these Disney scent circles. That is amazing. All kinds of good stuff. I know the charity warmer was super popular and now it is on clearance. Some laundry items. If you guys have been kind of hesitant to try out the laundry products, then now is the time. It is on clearance and not just in coconut lemongrass. There are a couple of other options. Driftwood Bay washer whiffs. If you missed out on Emerald Waters, you now have a chance to get that again. But I think something that I'm most excited for is this. Honeymoon Hideaway. I've had so many people ask me for Honeymoon Hideaway room spray specifically, and I've had to say no, they couldn't get it, but now they can, and you can too at a discount. All kinds of good things. Huckleberry Sage, I know in my last What Have I Been Warming video, wait, spoiler alert. I talk about Huckleberry Sage and it is beautiful. Beautiful. If you have not tried it, I highly recommend it. I thought it was gonna be like on cold, it's like super mellow, super soft. But when you warm it, holy moly. It's so good. Check this out, guys. In the Harbor Warmer from the summer collection, the Lemonade Pitcher Warmer, in motion. All of this stuff is available to you now and at a discounted price. Midnight in Paris, a couple of people were asking me about that one too. All kinds of good stuff. So if you didn't get a chance to get this stuff while it was available in the regular catalog, you now have a chance to get it on clearance. Simply Vanilla Scentsy Bar, Spiced Pear Scentsy Bar, Shimmer. Those things are not available right now. And I think one of the biggest things that they have on here is the sugar line. Everything sugar is on here, which makes me a little bit nervous, but that is okay. You can still get it while supplies last. So if you love sugar, make sure that you stock up on it. Sunkissed Citrus laundry items, I didn't have the best luck with, but my nose was funky when I was using these, so I might not have been able to smell it because of that. Sweet Pea and Vanilla Room Spray, stock up, guys. Stock up. That's all I'm going to say. And poor old Tomato Vine Scentsy Bar is in clearance. I happen to love Tomato Vine. I don't know that I necessarily love it to warm it, but I do like to smell the bar every now and again because it reminds me of my great gram being in her garden, picking tomatoes, and just helping her. So I like Tomato Vine for a sentimental reason, but if you like to warm it, now you can get it again. So what else do they have? Vanilla Bean Buttercream Scentsy Soaks and hand soaps, lotions. You need to get on this game, guys. It is not going to last for very long. These items are while supplies last, so make sure that you check that out. In other news, and just really quickly, I'm going to scroll all the way back on up to the top. You can still vote for the finalists for Bring Back My Bar. From my webpage, josh.scentsy.us, you will scroll down until you see the return of Bring Back My Bar. Click on Vote Now, and we're going to go for Apple Press, because we got to have Apple Press. I really like Amber Road, so I've been voting for that one. What else do we got here? I know a lot of people are going for Bubblegum, at least my friends are. What else do we have? I heard Cotton Candy Cookie was really good. I'm trying to think of like summertime. So with the exception of like Apple Press and Amber Road, I'm trying to think of like, I'm trying to vote for things that I know I'm gonna want in spring or summer because that is when this comes out. Huckleberry Clementine is amazing. Juicy Peach, I love Juicy Peach. What else do we got? I know Pistachio Ice Cream, well, a couple of people were looking for that, and I have I really am. I kind of am too. Um, Peligro is kind of like a cologne. I'm assuming because of the scent notes, and so I kind of want to smell that one. You Once you select your 5 bars, you can select 5 of the same bars if you want. You fill in your contact information, and you submit it. So let's see if I can do this without blurring. Okay, cool. First, last name, email, postal code, and the contact me about future promotions button is checked. You can uncheck that if you'd like to. Submit your votes, and you may vote again in 5 minutes. So that is the news that I have for you today. Clearance section is amazing. If you don't have a consultant or you love me, please order. There will be a link in the description bar below to get to that page on my website. But yeah, until I talk to you guys next time, I hope you're doing well. Bye.